Jupyter notebook. It is free and open source, using for Python programming language, machine learning and mathematical functions. Jupyter notebook installation before install in your PC and laptop. Python latest version. Browser open. Google search box lo Python download enter key press. python.org downloads. Download Python. First link, mouse left click. Python official redirectory web page complete display. Download the latest version. Windows default operating system detected and display. Download Python latest version 3.13.3 supporting OS Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, others. Other users selecting the OS option. Present Windows setup. Yellow color button. Download. Click. Download section lo Python latest version 3.13.3 AMD64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 27.3 MB. After downloading process completed, next installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file Explorer document open. Left side download folder lo exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Download folder minimize. Install Python latest version 3.13.3 supporting architecture 64-bit. Bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second option, add Python exe to path. Environment variables creating auto path. Second option, left side box tick mark set. Second one, customize installation. Select. Optional features section lo default. All options tick mark set. Second button next click. Advanced options. First one, install Python latest version 3.13 for all users. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Customize install location. Python installation path and location display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Python 313. Second button install click. Build release window lo first button yes click. Setup progress installing Python standard libraries. Application related exe and setup files installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Setup was successfully display. Close button click. Python and pip installation verify process. Windows search box lo cmd type. First option command prompt. Select. Enter the Python command. Python space version. Enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.13.3. Second text command pip space version. Enter key press. Installed pip latest version 25.0.1 from installation location display. Installation Jupyter notebook. Enter here Jupyter text command. Pip space install Jupyter. Enter key press. Collecting Jupyter notebook related downloading files and collecting the notebook files. Wait and here few minutes. Downloading Jupyter Lab latest version 4.4.2 py3. Downloading notebook dependencies packages. LPS means live server port. Second text command, enter here python space -m space notebook. Enter key press. Automatic open web page. Run the live server localhost 8888/3. Live server web page Jupyter notebook interface. Right side first button, new. Click first option Python 3 and authorized IPY kernel. First option select. Right side Jupyter lab. Enter the Python script. Print open bracket double quoted output related execute text. Enter Chari tech info double quoted close bracket. Run this cell and archive. Keyboard shortcut key shift enter key. Run button click. Output Chari tech info display. Mathematical function a is equal to 10. Enter key press. B is equal to 20. Enter key press. C is equal to 30. Enter key press. Print open bracket a plus b plus c close bracket. Top section lo run this cell icon click. Addition calculation answer 60. Save this file first icon save click. Change the file name untitled click. Rename file window lo enter the file name untitled. Remove Chari tech dot extension pynb py python notebook. Enter key press. Created file name Chari tech display. Save this file location. Second tab home click. Refresh button click. Created file name charitech.ipynb.